The technical competition dates back to 1994 and was originally just focused on advances in stereolithography. As the user group evolved into AMUG and opened its membership to all AM technologies, the competition has grown as well, with around 30 entries in each of the past few years.
So the AMUG Technical Competition is a gathering of people from all different areas of the industry that come together to show off the really cool stuff that they've been working on for the past year. The competition is kind of like the secondary portion about this. Just entering the tech comp allows you to get your ideas out. It makes connections with people that you never knew thought were possible. It allows people to see some really cool things. And ultimately, what you think might be interesting, a lot of people might think is also cool. So winning is not even the reason to enter the tech comp. It should just be to show off what you're doing.
The competition is judged by several AMUG dynos. These are some of the most distinguished individuals within the industry, so it makes the competition a highly sought-after peer award and the ultimate recognition of for users by users.
So there are two categories within the AMUG Technical Competition that you can enter. One is advanced finishing and the other one is advanced concepts. Advanced finishing is all about making something that you print look beautiful, very different from then how it came out of the machine. It celebrates and awards those that do really cool things in terms of making beauty and art out of a very industrial process. And then advanced concepts is the portion of the competition that deals with when people take really neat ideas and utilize additive manufacturing to realize them.
The Advanced Concepts category is for entries that really push the envelope for a particular technology or even combination of technologies, showing off unique applications, processes, or uses of AM. I am amazed and impressed with the range of entries every year. I've seen devices and tools that improve and even save lives to very technical projects, and don't forget about the finishing skills and artistry on display. Regardless of the parts that are entered, they all have a great story to share.
It broadens people's horizons on what is actually possible with additive manufacturing. If you look at some of the people that have entered in this year's Tech Comp, we have someone that actually did, I think he calls them TheraCubes, but basically it's a way for kids to express themselves using 3D printing. They print their feelings on dice and then are able to show exactly to their teacher what's going on. Like, that's an aspect of 3D printing I never considered before, especially someone that's in a very industrial role within this industry itself.
Every year, participants tell me about the amazing conversations and connections they make by entering and displaying their work. It's not only a chance to be recognized with an award, but an even greater opportunity to share the success of your work and your team.